Alright, I'm back. Took a picture of the building inside, so I'll make a thumbnail. What was I gonna say? Let's go to another building. We can't find another way to get to the second floor. Let's see if the door's unlocked. Fuck. I really wish there was a ladder right here. Kinda really cool to go to the second floor. There ain't no steps either. Damn it. I would use that right there, but someone would hear me and say, get the fuck off that goddamn thing. So I can't. So like, there's nothing beyond that place down there. All there is just houses. We might try that building over there again. Focus, camera. Come on, focus. Focus, camera. Good boy. Alright. That place over there I might go to in a little bit. Again. Now, if I was really good at climbing, I'm good at climbing, but not very good. But if I was really good at climbing, I'd climb up there. And then go up to the other floors. But I'm not that good at climbing. I'm not an expert. Let's see if this door's unlocked. Oh, fuck yeah. Let's not die. I'm leaving it cracked. Just in case, I'm fucking scared. Here's some 20 views right here. I'm beyond scared right now. Second fucking floor, I finally figured it out. I can go to the third floor too. Fuck yeah. Here's some fucking exploring for you in spring. Oh, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. Second fucking floor. Hell yeah. Even fucking scarier. Oh, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this right now. Oh, I gotta go. Hang on. I gotta go through these fucking bars. This is awesome. Fuck. It's awesome. High. I'm not very high, but I'm high enough behind the fucking goddamn building. Oh, yes. Finally figured the fucking second floor. Hopefully that door doesn't lock. If it fucking locks, I'm damn fucking scared. But, I feel the third floor. I'm really excited. Now let's not piss ourselves. Alright. Fuck, hang on. I'll put you down in a second. Hang on, guys. Alright, back to normal. Second floor. Now I already know over here is the stairs and door. I'm really excited. Like almost overexcited. Oh yes. Oh, I love exploring. Figure out the second floor now. Yes, no, let's not shit ourselves. I know I should slow my pace, but damn. Nothing in the boxes. Ooh, another box. Anything in it? No. What's this? No, it's just instructions. No, well, I said last video. What would you do if you got trapped in here? I don't want to keep on asking that because I don't want that actually happening. Fuck it, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try my best to get on the roof. Oh, let's try that. A lot of stones, wire. Alright, now more experience of this place. there's that fucking scary ass hallway. And there's the city. Alright. I'll try to find a way to the 3rd floor. Alright. So let's have fun with that. Like the video if you want me doing this more. And if I can, let's see if we can get on the roof. That will be awesome. Damn awesome. Get on the roof and see the whole fucking city of Spring. Not the whole city, but part of it at least. And I really hope nothing fucking jumps in front of me. I really hope nothing happens. And I hope this battery does not die. Let's find our way back to the stairs, go up to the 3rd floor. 2nd floor is pretty much almost the same thing as the 1st floor. Let's see if we can find something different